Hi friends, I'm Likhitha H. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to make a My Selfie app. That means we're going to see how to use the webcam. So let's get started. This is how it's going to look like. Yes. So it took my selfie right here. You guys can see that. So let's see how to make this app. I'm in Thunkable and let me create a new app saying My Selfie app. And here I'm going to put entertainment, community, events, games. That's all. So let me just say create. And let's begin with the design and then go to the blog section. First we have to have a row. So let me add let me put a row here. Yes. And inside the row we need to put a label and an image. So let me put them, label and then an image. First let me just add all of them. Yes, and here I'm going to set it to My Selfie app. Selfie app. And I'm going to set it to 30 and set the color to black, and I have to change this one's. Let's set it to 100 and check if that would be fine. Yes. And after that the row part is completed, we have to just add an image. So let me do that. Upload, and in the desktop selfie image, I found it here in Google, you can see. Yes, after it's been added we have to put a label. So let's put a label. Let me add up. Let's add a label. I'm gonna add, it's outside the row. It's outside the row, yes. Label 2, and okay, so we have to go to the row 1 settings over here and change this to fit container. Yes, and let me go to the screen settings and change the vertical alignment to space around, and let me come back to label 2 and I'm gonna set its text to click on the button start. Let me set it to black. And after doing this we have to add a button saying that start. This is the button start, and then we need we need one invisible component and another visible component. So one is the image. There only we have to display our image, the selfie that we have taken. So for that I'm gonna add an image, and then the invisible component is going to be camera. And then let's add the speech. Let's add the text to speech here. Yes. So let me go to the blog section and now let's begin the coding part. First of all, we have to say when the button 1 is clicked, that time we have to speak. We're gonna say taking your selfie. It's gonna take minimum 5 seconds, so I'm gonna say taking your selfie in 5 seconds. And now let me go to the camera part and say in camera call take photo. And here after the photo is taken, they said when take photo is done, then do when take photo is done. So here what we have to do is we have to call the image to, and then we're gonna set the image to photo. And again we're gonna call the image to, and we're gonna say set image to outside the camera take photo. Again we're gonna say get picture, because we have to display it up This is there inside the camera take photo, but not inside when the button is clicked. So that should be done, or else it's not going to display your photo image. Now let me live test it. Let me live test it. Let me say start. Yes, you can see my selfie is taken. There should be just one change, that is your selfie, that is, and it's taking, not talking. Taking in 5 seconds. And now let me live test it. Let me say start. Yes, you can see the selfie is right here. So yeah, now we know how to use the web camera. That's great. Thank you friends. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Bye bye.